Former Delhi Law Minister Jitendra Singh Tomar is being taken by the Delhi police to Faizabad for further investigations into the fake degrees case against him. This morning, he was taken to Lucknow. Now, a case of cheating, forgery and conspiracy was filed against Mr. Tomar, and he resigned as Law Minister last night after being sent to 4 days police custody by the court. The Aam Aadmi Party has alleged political vendetta by the BJP-led centre. These are visuals of Mr. Tomar in Lucknow as he arrived there by train. You can see he's also being followed by Aam Aadmi Party supporters. Tomar said he decided to resign as he didn't want to embarrass his party.
बीजेपी केंद्र सरकार की.
And the spokesperson of the Awadh college where the police are headed to investigate this entire case have said that they had received an RTI application and found the certificate to be fake.
Mr. Pradeep Kumar attached electrostatic copies of respective mark sheets and degrees with his RTI application. After thorough investigation, Varsity's Controller of Examination, Mr. A.M. Ansari, released an official letter to Mr. Pradeep Kumar, perhaps on dated 22nd January 2015, with a reply that the roll number series mentioned in the attached document of Jitendra Singh Tomar is bogus and respective degree and mark sheets are found fake.
थोड़ी देर पहले जितेंद्र तोमर जी ने अपना इस्तीफा मुख्यमंत्री जी को भेजा है और मुख्यमंत्री जी ने उसे स्वीकार कर लिया है और उसको राज्यपाल महोदय को भेज देंगे कल सुबह. तो क्योंकि अभी जो कुछ हुआ है उसके बाद उन्होंने अपना इस्तीफा खुद ही भेजा है.
Let's go across to Tanima now, who's tracking all these developments. Tanima, the police have taken the former law minister there to Lucknow and on to Faizabad to investigate this matter.
That's right, Gargi. Of course, now it's the next leg of the investigation that the Delhi police is trying to complete. They have taken Mr. Jitendra Tomar, the former Delhi law minister, to Faizabad in UP, where one of the universities which had issued him according to the police, that was not issued by the university, one of the degrees, the BSc degree in question, which Mr. Jitendra Tomar claims is authentic and had got from that university, the RML Awadh University in Faizabad. So that is something that the police are trying to investigate, whether there were other people who had in fact helped him, aided him in getting this fake certificate or not. Mr. Tomar, of course, still maintains, he was speaking to some of the media contingent who were present at Faizabad and also at the Lucknow station en route to the university, and he still maintains that his degrees are original and that this is an agenda to get at Aam Aadmi Party and him personally as well. But the police, of course, believes that they have got statements from the university representatives who claim that the BSc degree seems to be forged as well, and that the migration certificate which he claims to have got from that university is also not authentic. So this is the first leg of investigation. We also expect that the police will be taking Mr. Tomar to Bhagalpur in Bihar, where there's the second university in which the Tilak University, from which apparently he got an LLB degree. Again, there seems to be a question being raised on the authenticity of that degree, because according to the police, Mr. Tomar had graduated from his course in 1999, whereas the date on the degree actually says 2001. So that's just one of the discrepancies which was pointed out by the police in court yesterday. So they will be taking Mr. Tomar to both these universities in order to verify further and also to find out whether anybody else, especially university officials, were involved in aiding him to get these alleged fake certificates and degrees.